The rigor of classes such as honors biology has instilled in me qualities that I believe will give me an advantage over those in college who do not have the opportunity to take classes with collegiate level demands. Reflecting on the time and dedication my classes required, I can see the scholastic groundwork I have begun to lay that will support me throughout the rest of my life. Participating in the Spanish program and being involved in service projects has strengthened my desire to pursue a career as a missionary, and the current preparation and experiences are invaluable. After my first soccer practice, I was surprised when I discovered that a prayer was offered up daily by the team, and I had my first experience in involving Christ in my life in areas that I hadn't before, such as on the field. Weekly chapel services and the Christian environment has made me bolder in my faith, more accountable among my friends, and more concerned with living my life for the Lord. It seems unrealistic that a sophomore in high school would be so ecstatic about returning, but 1 year at Westminster has been more than enough for me to recognize that the education I'm receiving and the Christian environment in which I'm immersed is the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I can't wait to see what the Lord has in store.